the default to be exactly how we see it. So the next time you create a new scene, it will have a 3D text for After Effects, elements, 3 lights, and so on and so forth. So you have to be careful there, because whatever you save, whatever is loaded when you save the user preferences, that is what will be saved as your default scene. So how can we make this configuration the default for every new scene from this point on? Well, first of all, let's save this one. Okay, let's save this scene as it is now. So I can just go to File, Save, and Blender will say, okay, this is my current name. It's survival guide, lesson_4.blend. Do you want to save over? Yes, normally that's what you want to do. Okay, so now the scene is saved. Now that's an interesting little fact. Look at this. If I hit Control X to create a new scene, Blender will say, okay, do you want to erase all? Sure, I do. Boom. We are back to the default scene with a cube and everything. And there is no division here. But look at this. If I go to File, Open Recent, and I click on Lesson 4 that we just saved, the tree view is here. So even though we didn't make that a permanent change, it shows up when we open the scene. And here is an important lesson, which is very interesting and very important. Blender will save the user interface layout together with your file. So if you have a very peculiar arrangement that is necessary to edit that scene, that animation, then you can stay assured that Blender will recover exactly the same layout the next time you open that scene, which is incredibly, incredibly convenient. But going back to our task, how can we make this window here a permanent feature of our default scene? Let's start over. Press Ctrl X. This is our default scene. So without doing anything else, we just repeat the operation, split area, split here. We select the outliner. Perfect, that's the way we want it. And then we press Ctrl U and we save it as user defaults. Which introduces an interesting topic. Where